This is Noir 3336. Let's do this thing. Here's a fresh case for you. We're going to open up the box immediately, randomize the list 5 times. Whoever's on top at the end gets a card in spot 1. Whoever's on the bottom gets a card in spot 10. Sorry, swap that. The card in spot 10 will go to the person in the bottom, so on and so forth. Here we go. Good luck to all. Let's do this thing. Here we go. No randomization necessary just yet. That happens at the end. Alrighty, good luck. So sometimes they just don't come. Jesus, is that multiple redemptions? Here we go. First up. Let's go. Drew Holiday to 99. Packaging's gorgeous. Bit tight sometimes. Holiday to 99. I'm going to keep this open so I can keep an eye on all these people. Holiday to 99. Up next, Jokic to 99. We have the big metal boy. Jokic to 99. The metal boy, or one of them. Is that a... What's that on the... Oh, the card is falling apart. So, this one has completely fallen apart. Panini, I'm recording this, so whoever ends up with this card will get it replaced. Apologies for that. It is completely just... Yep, that has completely come apart. Shit of the bed there from Panini. But that'll replace it for you. What I'm going to do is chuck this straight into one of these, so you can get that fixed up. George to 25. Karl Malone to 99. Icons memorabilia. I mean, you totally could just super glue it together, but it is cooked. A Dirk Nowitzki 93 and 99 jersey. Apologies to the gentleman in the chat speaking Korean. I do not know Korean. Nowitzki, nice little. Whoever ends up with the random, the Paul George, will get something else as well. To 25, it's an Embiid patch. Embiid to 25, patch. Justin Holiday, Auto Noir to 99. Oh, far out. There's 2 Holidays. What are the odds? Justin Holiday to 99. Oh, far out. Now I need to go back and rewrite it. Justin Holiday. Geez, more holidays than the singles team take. Let me get another pack of top loaders ready. Adrian Dantley, Hall of Fame autograph. Another small card. Definitely not what we're looking for here. Adrian Dantley. The Hall of Fame autograph. Nice RPA for the Thunder to 99 of Alexei Pokuševski. I'm going to write Poku. Nice Poku to 99. And then redemption is Noir. Rookie autographs. Card 388. Tyrese Maxey. Maxey redemption. And that is that for the actual box. Here we go. Noir 3336. Here we go. Good luck to all. So it's the rookie autographs. 5 times. Let's do this. Good luck. The list is set in how it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The Embiid is on the bottom. The Nowitzki's on top. That's 5 times. There's a few nice cards, but the Maxi Redemption is spot 6. And the Poku is in spot 7. So good little period to buy your spots there. Here we go. Get rid of that. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. Alrighty. Well, the most important one, spot 4, Michael. I'll send you a message with how to take care of that and guide you through it. I mean, I could be able to do it for you, but it depends on what you want to do. I'm also going to throw you in a pack of the Chronicles. This one right here. Just so you have something to open, something to hold. But yeah, you should be able to get that fixed pretty easily. I'll just take it. No, they didn't, Brian. Tyrese Maxey Redemption. Maxey Redemp in spot 6 to Tony Maybanks. I know Superman. After that, we've got the Poku, which is very nice for Angelica. Dantley to spot 9 of Casey Miller. No, they're a different one. Mr. Riddle, no, this is a fully cashmere Burberry scarf. Justin Holiday goes to spot 8, Roberto Lay. I mean, he had an amazing box earlier. I guess this one kind of balances out. Embiid goes to spot 10, Steven. That's it. Had to look suave. Oh, wait. Huh? Steven. And that's ST. Oh, wait. There's no one else here. Dirk Nowitzki. Nowitzki goes to spot 1, Justin Ballantyne. Karl Malone goes to spot 3, Casey Miller. Jokic goes to spot 2, Zine Booth. And Drew Holiday goes to spot 5, Alexander Parrish. Alexander. And that's 3336.